going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be programming this 2000, I believe it's a 2008. See the B number, it's a 2011. It's a Ford F-150, and we just replaced the computer because this one is defective. It wasn't firing two coils, so we changed that. And now what we have to do, every time you change a computer, you need at least two keys to program the card to make a start. And hopefully we just have to program the keys, because sometimes you have to do a parameter reset on these computers. So we go to the scanner. I'm going to be using the Maxi M608, and we're gonna ring the pin number. Okay, so we have communication. That's a good sign. It's gonna decode the pin number. And yeah, 3.5 EcoBoost turbocharge. Yep, is correct. And we're gonna check if we have any codes. This one has navigation, so that's why I selected that.
I can feel them, I can feel them, I can feel them. I can feel them, I can feel them, I can feel them, I can feel that pull me down.
And then we're going to go to our control unit, make sure we don't have any codes. Probably it's gonna be code store about the keys, and maybe another one. Hopefully I didn't leave anything disconnected in the engine. So let's wait. Alright, so now we're gonna erase. And we open the switch. Alright, so we are here, and as you can see, I already programmed the control for the locks, and now I'm going to program the key because it doesn't start, as you can see. So now what I have to go do is I'll start from the beginning. I'm going to select my immobilizer, and I already selected mine, so it's just a Ford. And we select immobilizer. Yeah, it's blade key. And what it's gonna tell me first, I'm gonna scan the whole car. And now we have to do a hard reset, parameter reset, and just wait 10 minutes. Now we're gonna program the keys, and we have to wait 10 minutes until we get security access. So we see that it said learning successful, so now we hit OK, and we're gonna turn off our key and now open it and check if it's gonna turn on. And boom, it's on, guys. So now we're gonna take off our charger, this cord, and to program the keys, it's really easy on this tool. You just have to go to immobilizer, and it's gonna read the codes on the core. It's going green, so that means it's good. I just have to erase that code, and I have to keys program, and it works perfectly, guys. So every time you change a computer on these Fords, you have to do the parameter reset. Otherwise, if you program the keys like I did, and if you don't do the programming for the parameter reset, actually it's not gonna let you turn on the car, because it's just how these things works. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and see you next time.